know, I got surprise. Yep, from McDonald Happy Meal, like this.
Let's get started. Toilet.
SOURRRR plus toilet, right?
Another one.
Yeah, what color? Pink, right? Watermelon and grape. What you got next?
Blueberry.
Blueberry.
And I'll get another one.
I don't know. From McDonald Happy Meal toy. Number 6. Okay, Auntie want open watermelon.
Okay, like that.
Oh, smell something now. Oh my god.
I go to the.
Okay.
I'm gonna open the bag.
Sure, open.
Can you help me?
Okay, sure. Look at that. She got the palm color pink. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Like you stuck a toilet, you need the palm, right?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, now mommy open for you, okay?
Okay.
Now I got this one palm like this. Now Auntie want to try the palm toilet. Auntie want to try palm toilet. Now Auntie palm. How look like? Like that?
Yes.
You want to tell me about?
I'm not gonna taste it in the toilet.
I know want to try how it tastes like watermelon.
That one. It's on my toilet.
The palm toilet. Look like that. Whoop. See Angie face. Whoop. Look like that. The melon, the pink one, the grape and color purple, and this one are called blueberry. This one blueberry. Look at the same sugar taste. This one tastes kind of sour, a little bit more.
Pump.
This one's sugar one. Look like that. I want to drop my hand, leave it. Yeah, power sugar grape. I want to put everything together in my mouth. This one very sour. I don't like it much.
Pump. And we're gonna get that bear to eat this one.
Go
Right
ahead.
here.
Okay, go ahead. I'll take for you. I want to go to the bathroom now. Open my toilet.
Now you're done.
Oh, that? Oh, I think something broken toilet. So cute, really beautiful eye, and her ear have the like horse right here. Both ear and have snail. Look at her feet, color like purple, and have shape too. Look at.
Hi guys. Hi. Thank you for bringing it. Come over here. Sour. I don't want no more watermelon so sour. I want it like this. Make it a little bit sour. Hey, go ahead, try. Sour? Sour? Are you sure?
Smell like watermelon.
Yay.
Thank you. I don't want no more. Oh, double sour. You put them together like grape and watermelon.
Yes. No, I'm not gonna test it.
Yeah, kind of sweetly bit. This one is sour. The grape
I'm
one.
not gonna try it.
Yes.
I want to eat all my little sugar. Uh-oh.
What are you doing, Bear?
Uh-oh, look at my face. Look. So yummy. It's so good.
Yeah, look at Bear. What's she doing?
Well, get off some toilet. Okay, I gotta clean it.
Clean her mouth.
There. Bye-bye. See you next video. Like me and subscribe me. Get my full video. Bye-bye.